Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about home theater setup. And as you all know, I like the rectangular rooms for many reasons, but one real simple reason is that the problems in there are predictable and consistent. Because we have two parallel surfaces here, two parallel surfaces here, parallel surfaces floor to ceiling. So there's a lot of scientific predictability and consistency, if you will, here. So that's the goal, because look, no matter what the size of the room, you're going to have problems every 2 and 3 feet in these rooms. You can't get away from it. So the bottom line here is we got to make sure that our setup is giving us the sound presentation value we want, but not really adding more problems to our existing situation. Remember, first rule in acoustics is do no harm. So in theater, we got an option in a rectangular room to set up on the long wall versus the short wall. Well, in theater, depending on our speaker type, if we have horns, we obviously want to set up on the long wall because we want that wide sound stage that horns give us. And horns do not like to be close to a room boundary surface. They like to be, in free space, spitting out their sound energy without being struck quickly by a room boundary surface and then coming back over the direct energy. So the thing about the long wall setup is we get a bigger sound stage, and that's good, especially with theater. And then of course we have our sides and our rears and low frequency effects channels and all of that stuff too. But if we set up on the short wall with theater, we're going to get a more focused sound stage, and that may be to your liking. Different strokes for different folks. There's no hard and set rules here. There are hard and set rules when it comes to room acoustic issues in the room and not making those issues worse, but we've got some pretty powerful treatment that can overcome most of those situations for you. So just depends on personal preference what you're doing. It depends on speakers. Like you would never use this for a horn setup. Dynamic drivers, it's okay, but you would go for the long wall with horns, okay? So what's your soundstage goal? Everybody wants as big a soundstage as we can get. Well, some do, some don't. No, a mix engineer wouldn't. He'd want more focused near field situation. But it's subjective. There's no cast in concrete way. And I know everybody looks for that. Well, just tell me, what I need to do. Well, I can't because I don't know you that well. I don't know what your listening preferences are. Do you like 2 channels? Do you like multiple channels? Are you an engineer? So everybody's different. Everybody's objectives are a little bit different. And that's good. It's also bad because it, makes for poor communication sometimes, especially over the phone. So speaker type, big influence. We went over that with horns. Number of channels, obviously. The amount of energy that you put in the room is critical. Side channels need lots of distance. Rear channels, not so much, but side channels really need lots of distance. So, we got all this energy coming out of the speakers, and all headed towards the listening position, and it's going to be a mess in the middle of the room. So all of that has to be managed. We have to slow these reflections down so the direct energy from the front of the house, so to speak, arrives first. A whole series of issues. So we just have to realize what we're dealing with, and a few questions about presentation value, what you like, and things like that will go a long way for setup. So home theater setup, stay with the rectangular rooms. They're predictable and consistent as far as treatment goes. Long wall, short wall, depends on the speakers that you have and the presentation value you're after, number of channels and all that. It's all boils down to that sound stage. What is your goal? What are you after? Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.